I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes C-Class versus the Jaguar XE. Let's start by looking at their performance. The C-Class offers a range of engines, including a 2.0-liter turbo with 255 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. The XE also features a 2.0-liter turbo, producing 247 horsepower, reaching 60 in 6.2 seconds. Fuel economy is competitive, with both models offering around 25 miles per gallon combined. Moving inside, the Mercedes C-Class boasts a sophisticated interior with high-quality materials and a large central touchscreen. Its MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and feature-rich. The Jaguar XE presents a sportier, driver-centric cabin, often with leather upholstery, and a Pivi Pro infotainment system. Both vehicles offer comfortable seating for 4 adults and respectable trunk capacities, typically around 12 to 13 cubic feet. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Mercedes C-Class prioritizes comfort and refinement, offering a smooth ride ideal for daily commutes and long journeys. The Jaguar XE, however, is known for its sporty handling and precise steering, making it more engaging on winding roads. Both vehicles come equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about value and pricing. The Mercedes C-Class typically starts around $48,000, while the Jaguar XE often begins closer to $42,000, depending on the trim and options. Both offer various packages that can significantly enhance features and cost. Your choice depends on whether you prefer Mercedes luxury and comfort or Jaguar's sporty performance. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals. Ultimately, both are excellent choices in the compact luxury sedan market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.